Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok problem to not send messages due to the user's privacy settings. If you are using TikTok and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to send a message to anyone on TikTok, you must see the error that unable to send the message because the user privacy settings. So basically, it happens whenever you're trying to send message to an account which is private. So if the person has enabled the privacy settings, so you might not be able to send them a message if you want to. So the very first you have to make sure that the person is following you and you are also following the person. So once you have followed each other, so after that you might be able to send message, or you can also try to stay or try to request that person to first message him. So if the person has sent you a single message, you'll be able to make a chat with them. Or if the person has sent you messages or they have followed you, but you're still facing the same issue, so it might be your app glitch or app issue. You just have to try to update your app. So just open your App Store or Play Store, just search for TikTok, and here you just have to try to update your app. So once your app has been updated, you might not get the issue again, or you can also try to go ahead to your TikTok app, and here just tap on the profile option at the bottom right. Then tap on three horizontal lines at the top right. Just select settings and privacy. Scroll down and look for free up space. And from here, just try to clear cache. So once you have cleared cache, it might clear all the junk files from your TikTok app. So if there will be any bugs with your TikTok app, it might be fixed in the step. Or you can also try to offload or completely uninstall that app. So just keep a long press on your TikTok app, then tap on remove app, then tap on delete app. So once your app has been deleted or uninstalled, you just have to reinstall your TikTok app and it will fix every bug in your TikTok. If you're still unable to send them a message, so there's the same issue. You just have to try to ask to that person to message you first, or you have to make sure that you're following each other. And after that, you'll be able to send message to the person. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.